Hey traders, welcome back to Discount Trader. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite smart money concept setups. A complete buy-side trade from liquidity sweep to final entry. Make sure you watch till the end so you understand how smart money moves the market and how you can trade with them, not against them. First, we see a liquidity sweep. Price takes out the lows and traps sellers. Next, we mark our point of interest where smart money might react. Then comes the break of structure, confirming a possible shift to the upside. After that, we spot inducement, a small move to grab more liquidity before the real move. Once price targets the buy-side liquidity, we look for our entry confirmation. Finally, we enter a buy trade, riding the move towards premium zones. Always remember, follow the structure, wait for confirmation, and trade smart, not fast. Follow for daily trading insights and smart entries.